Prepare to be captivated by the complexities of love and family in these compelling Turkish dramas? Join me as I count down the top 10 best forced marriage Turkish drama series that you can't miss. From forbidden love to unexpected alliances, these series explore the challenges of societal pressures and the enduring power of true love. Witness the strength of human spirit as characters navigate difficult circumstances, defy expectations, and ultimately find happiness against all odds. So, grab your tissues and prepare to be swept away by the power of love in these captivating Turkish dramas. On number 10, we have Legacy, Emanet. Legacy is a Turkish drama series that revolves around Yemen, a successful but emotionally distant businessman who is struggling to cope with the trauma of his past. Yemen's life takes an unexpected turn when his brother dies unexpectedly, leaving behind a young son, Yusuf. Yemen is now responsible for the care of his nephew, a responsibility he initially resists. Enter Seher, a kind and compassionate young woman who is hired to care for Yusuf. As Seher enters Yemen's life, she begins to chip away at his emotional walls and help him heal from his past wounds. Initially resistant to her presence, Yemen gradually begins to open up to Seher and develops a strong bond with his nephew. As they spend more time together, unexpected feelings begin to develop between Yemen and Seher, further complicating their lives. On number 9, we have Zumru Duanka, the Phoenix. Zumru Duanka is a Turkish drama series that tells the story of Zumrut, a young woman from a humble background who is forced to make a difficult decision to ensure the well-being of her family. After her boyfriend Serhat is declared dead while serving in the military, Zumrut is pressured by her family to marry his uncle, Adil Demirkan, a wealthy and powerful businessman. This marriage of convenience brings Zumrut into the opulent and complex world of Demirkan family, where she faces numerous challenges and betrayals. As she navigates the complexities of this new life, she discovers family secrets, hidden agendas, and unexpected dangers. Zumruduanka explores themes of love, loss, betrayal, and the struggle for power and survival. It's a captivating drama filled with intrigue, suspense, and unexpected twists and turns. On number 8, we have Shahane Damat, The Perfect Groom. Shahane Damat is a Turkish romantic comedy series that revolves around Melike, a struggling journalist who lies to her family about her successful career and lavish lifestyle in Istanbul. To maintain this elaborate facade, Melike blackmails Mehmet, a successful plastic surgeon, into pretending to be her fiancé. Their forced charade leads to a series of hilarious and unexpected situations as they navigate the complexities of their fake relationship while trying to avoid getting caught in their own web of lies. The series explores themes of love, deception, and the importance of honesty. As Melike and Mehmet spend more time together, they begin to develop genuine feelings for each other, further complicating their situation and adding a layer of romantic tension to the story. On number 7, we have Sanjal Kapimi, Love is in the Air. Sanjal Kapimi is a Turkish romantic comedy series that follows the story of Ida Yildiz, a spirited and independent florist, and Serkan Bolat, a successful but arrogant architect. Their lives intertwine unexpectedly when Serkan, in a fit of anger, offers to pay for Ida's education abroad in exchange for her pretending to be his fiancée for 2 months. What begins as a calculated arrangement soon evolves into an unexpected and heartwarming love story. The series explores themes of love, second chances, and personal growth. As Ida and Sirkan navigate their pretend relationship, they discover a genuine connection and learn to appreciate each other's strengths and weaknesses. On number 6, we have Yali Japkini, The Golden Spoon. Yali Japkini is a Turkish drama series that revolves around Ferit Korhan, a wealthy and arrogant young man, and Siran Tekeli, a strong-willed and independent woman from a modest background. Their lives intersect when Siran is hired as a housekeeper for the Korhan family. Despite their vastly different backgrounds and initial animosity, a passionate and forbidden love blossoms between them. However, their love is constantly challenged by the Korhan's family wealth, power, and deeply ingrained traditions. Sirian must navigate the complexities of this opulent world while remaining true to herself and her values. The series explores themes of love, social class, family dynamics, and the struggle for freedom and independence. On number 5, we have Price of Passion. Sia Bias Ashk. Sia Bias Ashk tells the story of Asli, a young and idealistic surgeon, and Farhad, a cold blooded hitman. Their paths unexpectedly cross when Asli operates on a man who was shot by Farhad. This encounter throws their lives into chaos. To save herself, Asli is forced into a marriage of convenience with Farhad, a man from a world completely opposite to her own. Despite their vastly different backgrounds and lifestyles, a passionate and forbidden love blossoms between them. However, their love is constantly challenged by Farhad's dangerous profession, the threats from his criminal underworld, and the secrets that lie buried in their past. Price of Passion explores the complexities of love, morality, and the choices we make. It's a captivating drama that blends romance, action, and suspense, keeping viewers on the edge of their seats. On number 4, we have Gul Jamal. Gul Jamal is a Turkish drama series that revolves around a complex tale of love, revenge, and family secrets. The story centers on Gul Jamal, a man consumed by a thirst of vengeance against his mother, Zafir Palivan, who abandoned him as a child. As Gul Jamal returns to his hometown, he encounters Deva, a strong willed and talented woman. Despite their initial animosity, a passionate love blossoms between them. However, their love story is complicated by Gul Jamal's relentless pursuit of revenge and the dark secrets that bind the two families together. As the plot unfolds, viewers are drawn into a world of intrigue, betrayal, and unexpected twists. The series explores the destructive power of hatred and the redemptive power of love, ultimately culminating in a heart-wrenching conclusion. On number 3, we have Sapphire. Sapphire is a Turkish drama series that revolves around the Gulsoy family, a prominent family in Cappadocia. The story takes a dramatic turn upon the return of the eldest son, Atish, from America. Yemen, another son in the family, plans to propose to his childhood sweetheart, Ferai, on her birthday. However, a tragic incident involving the youngest brother, Okan, disrupts their plans and throws the entire family into turmoil. The series explores themes of love, betrayal, revenge, and the complexities of family relationships. As secrets unravel and hidden agendas emerge, the Gulsoy family faces the challenges that threaten to tear them apart. Safir is known for its captivating storyline, talented cast, and stunning visuals, showcasing the beauty of the Cappadocia region. On number 2, we have Yemen, The Promise. Yemen is a Turkish drama series that revolves around Rehan, a kind and caring country girl, and Emir, the spoiled son of a wealthy family. Rehan is forced to marry Emir after her uncle Hikmat, who is terminally ill, requests it. Hikmat, fearing the future of his family and their wealth, believes that Rehan is the only one who can ensure the well-being of his son and his family's legacy. Initially, Rehan and Emir are strangers with vastly different backgrounds and personalities. Emir is a rebellious and carefree young man, while Rehan is a humble and traditional woman. However, as they are forced to live together, their initial animosity gradually gives way to a surprising connection. On number 1, we have Hercai. Hercai is a Turkish drama series that tells the story of Miran Aslanbey, a young man consumed by a thirst for revenge against the Saduglu family, whom he believes are responsible for the tragic death of his parents. To enact his revenge, Miran marries Rayyan, the granddaughter of Hazar Saduglu. the man he holds responsible for his family's demise. However, as he spends time with Rayyan, he finds himself falling deeply in love with her, despite his vow for revenge. Their love story is a tragic one, filled with betrayal, deceit, and heartbreaking twists and turns. The series explores themes of revenge, forgiveness, love, and the complexities of family relationships. Ready to immerse yourself in the world of Turkish dramas? Subscribe to my channel for more recommendation and reviews, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching.